money, money. Everyone loves money, but only few are smart in managing it. And that explains the reason why a lot of people are broke, even with a good job. Join me in this video as I review to you 7 brutal money truths that will save your financial future and keep you rich forever if applied intentionally. My name is Juliet and this is Finspoke channel, where we make money talk simple, smart and straight to the point. Subscribe to this channel if you are ready to grow financially without stress. 7 simple principles that will help you manage your money better, have peace of mind, and enjoy your life. Number 5 and number 7 will blow your mind, and a lot of people are ignoring them. Number 1, start investing as early as possible. Time is your best friend in building wealth. The earlier you invest, the more you earn, even with the smallest amount. That is why we say that compound interest is a silent millionaire maker. Don't wait until you get big money or before you get started. The best time to get started or to start investing was yesterday, and the second best time is now. So get started. Number 2, don't fall for hype. Don't make your investment decisions based on internet and social media hype. Because it's trending doesn't make it right. Do your homework. Do not base your investment decisions on social media hype, because it is a recipe for regret. For investing, follow these 2 simple rules. 1, invest where you have knowledge and control. 2, do not make your investment decisions by listening to 1 or 2 success stories. Do your due diligence. Number 3, track where you spend your money. You can't manage what you don't measure. How can you improve when you don't know what is happening in your life? The rule is very simple. What gets monitored gets improved. When you have data, you have control. It's that simple. Number 4, stop showing off. Never do expenses to show off, and don't take personal loan for any kind of luxury. One of the costliest loan is credit card loan. If you can't handle it, don't go for it. You don't need to impress anyone with your wallet. Financial freedom isn't about fake flex, isn't about looking wealthy. It's about being wealthy. Number 5, keep friends and investment separate. Most people struggle because they fail to separate their personal relationship from their financial dealings. In order to avoid this pitfall, or to come out of this pitfall if you are already in, maintain a clear boundaries between your personal relationship and your financial dealings. Keep your friends separate from your business or investment decisions. Avoid mixing financial transactions with your social life. This mistake has cost a lot of people their relationship and their money. Just because it is your friend doesn't make it right. Don't invest with emotions. It is your hard-earned money, not a group project. Be smart and not sentimental. Number 6, your income should grow yearly. Keep getting better at what you do. If you can't get a raise yearly at your job, ensure to get a side hustle to increase your cash flow. And if you can also do your job so well that you get promotion every year and also get a side hustle in addition. That is beautiful. The aim is for you to keep increasing your cash flow every year. Number 7, don't postpone enjoying your life. Yes, invest but also live. Don't postpone enjoying your life simply because your investment fund is still waiting for you to get rich or have big investment before you enjoy your life is like waiting for rain in a drought. Balance is key. Set aside 5 to 10% of your monthly income every month to enjoy your life. Use it to do whatever that makes you happy. Have fun, hang out, eat out, get yourself some nice things, or even go for vacation. In life, money will come and go, but time will go and you will never get it back. If you follow these 7 principles, it will give you peace and good quality of life. Subscribe for more real money talks. Share this video. Keep shining, keep sparkling. I will see you in my next video.